bit dusty there for him. All good?
Gotta learn to ride that shit.
I know, it's been a long time.
How's the front end?
I went real soft, everything.
And you're not darting?
Not deflecting. I'm getting a little bit of feedback from the front, but I think I might be too far down in the stroke.
Oh.
And the back feels, I wish I had this set up 2 weekends ago at Gopher.
Oh,
it's
yeah?
just, yeah, like.
Well, I just kind
it's going where I point it.
You were saying that Gopher was too stiff.
Huh?
You said at Gopher it was too stiff.
The front was not bad. It was the back that made the front feel so harsh.
That's what happened to me.
Yeah, that's why. I
ran a moto rear and
when I was watching Mike chasing me, even in the fast stuff, when I'm really hammering it, the back was deflecting where it should have just been.
Right. Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, but yeah, it feels pretty good here.
Good. What pressure are you running?
I got like 11 and about 8 or 9 in the back.
Right on.
And it's just this MX-33
yeah, same here.
and AT-81.
Yeah. Good stuff. How's it working out for you, man?
Good.
Going good, Max?
Yeah.
Right on.
I'm going a little bit, taking it a little bit.
Do whatever
easy,
you want.
Yeah, I just want to.
I'm on recovery too.
I just want to see what how my bike reacts in this.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna like try and keep with him.
Yep.
But I'm not gonna do this because I'm already pumped up.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this is fun. I love this place.
Yeah.
Haven't been here. Well,
I didn't come at all last year, and I think the year before I was here twice, maybe.
I only came once last year and it was my first time. I actually rode
When you left us.
I went left over lake because I wanted to get a kind of a setup in case I did the course.
Yeah.
And I just wanted some, you know.
Yeah.
I can already tell you right now, these are the wrong forks for it.
Yeah.
So I've got to take the settings from another set of forks I have
Yeah.
and put them in here.